What if there was a way to automatically message new leads on WhatsApp and then keep following up over weeks or even months until they're ready to buy? Everyone knows the key to closing deals is consistent follow-ups. But when you're managing hundreds or thousands of leads, doing that manually just isn't realistic. Using automated WhatsApp sequences in Privyr, you can automatically engage new and existing leads from your own WhatsApp business number without getting restricted or banned. Just set up your sequence once. It will automatically follow up with every lead at the right time until they reply or buy. You can view the messages and take over the conversation in your WhatsApp business app anytime. You can even set up automation rules to add new leads to a sequence or to stop a sequence for leads who respond to you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from creating your first sequence to setting up lead automation rules to tracking your sequence history. Let's get started. Here are the two best ways to use WhatsApp sequences. First, I use sequences to automatically engage new leads coming from my Facebook ads, website contact form, Privyr lead forms, and other sources. I've set up lead automation rules in Privyr, so new leads who meet specific criteria are instantly added to the right introduction sequence that matches their interest. Privyr will automatically start the conversation and check in multiple times for me until the lead replies. Next, I also use sequences to bulk re-engage existing leads, keeping them warm without any manual work. These could be leads who aren't ready to buy yet or old leads who went quiet but showed real interest in the past. Let's start by building your first WhatsApp sequence. Go to your Content tab, click on Sequences, and create a new automated WhatsApp sequence. Give it a clear name, for example, Acme Residences, New York, new lead sequence. This makes it easy to identify if you have multiple sequences running. Next, choose your WhatsApp business number. The automated follow-ups will be sent from this number. If you haven't connected your WhatsApp account yet, you'll be guided through the setup here. Now it's time to add the steps for this sequence. There are two types of steps you can add: automatic WhatsApp messages and time delays. Tap Add Step to add the first message. This is what every lead instantly receives when the sequence is triggered. You can pick an existing message template or submit a new one for approval here. Since this is an official WhatsApp integration, templates require approval from WhatsApp before they can be sent. This usually takes a few minutes up to 24 hours for your first few templates. After your first message, add a time delay, let's say 1 day. Then add your next message and keep building from there. For example, a simple 3-step sequence over 1 week could look like this. Send intro message immediately. Wait 1 day, then send a second follow-up. Wait 3 more days, then send a final check-in. If you want to engage leads over multiple weeks or months, just keep adding more steps. Next, you can also update your auto remove settings. By default, sequences automatically stop when a lead replies to the WhatsApp conversation, or if you message them manually from your WhatsApp business app. You can also toggle these options on or off depending on your preferences. This setting ensures you won't accidentally over-message someone who's already actively chatting with you. Once everything is ready, activate the sequence and it'll start running as soon as leads are added to it. There are two ways to add leads to a WhatsApp follow-up sequence. First, you can use lead automation rules to automatically add new leads that match specific criteria to a sequence. Alternatively, you can also manually add leads to a sequence, one at a time or in bulk. Lead automation rules are great for instantly messaging new leads and automatically following up with them, while manually adding leads is perfect for bulk re-engaging existing leads. Let's start with lead automation rules. The idea is simple. When a new lead comes in and matches specific criteria, Privyr automatically adds them to the right sequence based on these rules. When viewing a follow-up sequence, you'll see this pink button to add automated triggers. This lets you create lead automation rules to automatically add new leads to the sequence. Tap on Add New Rule. Then select the criteria to define what type of leads should be added to the sequence. You can create different rules based on the lead source, custom field values, and more. Next, select which sequence those leads should be added to. This is automatically populated from the sequence you started on. If you're in a team, you can also select who the lead gets assigned to and customize different sequences for each team member. Once you're done, click Create Rule to save. You'll be redirected to your lead automation rules list, where you can create as many rules as you need. Here you can see I've already set up a few rules. My first rule specifies that leads captured from my Acme Residences Facebook campaign are automatically assigned to myself and added to the Acme Residences intro sequence. These leads will receive automatic follow-ups from me on WhatsApp. If you're running 2 Facebook campaigns, one for New York, one for Miami, you can create a rule for each, so leads from each campaign always receive a sequence relevant to what they inquired about. I also created a rule for leads who fill out my Privyr lead form for Storybrooke open house registration, ensuring they're instantly added to the Storybrooke open house welcome sequence. Do remember that the rules run in order, so when you have more than one rule, only the first matching rule will apply to a lead. When you go back to your Content Sequences tab, you'll see a pink Automated Triggers label on sequences that have matching lead automation rules. When you click to view that sequence, you'll see the number of automated triggers linked to it, and you can click to view and edit those matching rules. You can easily manage all of your lead automation rules by clicking the pink Manage Automated Sequence Triggers banner at the top of your sequences list, which will bring you to your full lead automations rules list. Last but not least, you can also access your lead automation rules on Privyr Web via your Automations tab, Lead Automation Rules, or on the mobile app under your Account tab right here. Aside from automated rules, you can also manually add leads to a sequence, one at a time or in bulk. When viewing any lead in your Clients tab, you'll see the option to add them to a sequence directly. Just tap and select which sequence to add them to. Other than that, you can also bulk add leads to a sequence. Just long press on any client to trigger bulk action mode. Select multiple clients from your list, tap on More Actions, then click Add to Sequence. You can also do this directly from the Sequence Details screen. Open your sequence and click on Add Clients to Sequence. From here, you can apply filters to easily find leads in your Privyr account that match specific criteria. For example, Facebook leads from last year who are still in the interested stage. This is the fastest way to re-engage a large group of existing leads in one go. Once your sequence starts running, you can track its status and history directly in Privyr. Click on any sequence and you'll see a Clients in Sequence section. Clients currently in sequence refers to the leads who are still active in the workflow. Clients completed sequence means they've successfully gone through all the steps. Clients removed from sequence are leads who were taken out before completing the flow for any reason. Click into any of these for more details. You can see which step each lead is on, when they completed the sequence, and why they were removed from a sequence. Whether they replied, you messaged them manually, or you removed them yourself. Note that if sending fails due to any reason, such as invalid phone number, insufficient credits, or any other reason, the client will be automatically removed from the sequence. You can also click the stats of each step to view the history of that specific step. For example, step 1 of this sequence was sent 23 times, and I can click to view all clients that we attempted to send to, regardless of whether they are still in the sequence, completed it, or were removed. This gives you a clear picture of how your sequence is performing at any point in time. Since WhatsApp Sequences is an official WhatsApp integration, you'll also see your current WhatsApp quality rating and messaging limit when viewing a sequence. As a verified Meta business partner, Privyr works closely with WhatsApp to monitor your account health and limit sending whenever your account is at risk. Do note that these limits and ratings only apply to fully automated messages you send through WhatsApp Sequences. They do not affect your ability to use your regular WhatsApp business app for manual one-to-one conversations. So there's no need to worry about interrupting your regular WhatsApp usage. Lastly, note that WhatsApp charges for fully automated messaging, so you'll need paid credits to run official automations. And that's how to use automated WhatsApp sequences in Privyr. Set it up once and your leads will always hear from you, consistently, on schedule, sent from your own WhatsApp business number without any manual work needed until they're ready to talk. Try it today and go completely hands-free for your follow-ups.